What if I told you there's a way to make $100 per day on YouTube without recording any videos? Now, if I told you this and you could potentially make $100 per day, that means $3,000 per month or $36,000 per year on YouTube without recording any videos, would you do it? Now, if you're here on this video, chances are you already said yes in your mind, that I would love to make $100 per day on YouTube without recording any videos. But how? Now, I'm going to show you exactly that. I'm going to show you step by step, and the cool part about this business is that it's absolutely free. I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to show you the different tools and tricks that I like to use and how you can implement those as well. And the best part about this, anybody can do it. It doesn't matter where you are in this world, you can do this exact same business model and start making money. Now, if this is not the exact business that you want to run and you are looking for a different type of business idea, I've put together a video. It's called 5 Online Business Ideas to Start with No Money. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link to it right there so you can go and check that out. Now, when you go and watch that video, it's going to be different things, and it will not include how to make $100 per day on YouTube without recording videos. So, if you're interested in those, go check out that video. But if you're ready to start making money on YouTube, let's jump in the computer and I'm going to show you right now how you can do it and how you can make $100 or more per day following this very simple method. Okay, so everybody wants to know how to make $100 per day on YouTube without recording any videos. But what a lot of people don't realize, let's get rid of that, is that it's so easy, so simple to do. So that's what I want to show you in today's video. Now, here's what we do, okay? Now, there's a couple different websites we're going to use. YouTube's one, Google's second one, and I'm going to show you how to do this in this little whiteboard app right here. So this is what we do, okay? And I'll explain in just a second, but I'm going to walk you through it so that you know. So here's the cool part, okay? Let's say I go to top 10 fastest cars, okay? So I type in. Look at this. So let's, I'm just looking, see. Okay, so this one was done 11 months ago. This person has 16,000 subscribers and it has 2.9 million views, okay? I'm gonna click on that and we're gonna go and watch it just for a second so that I can show you exactly what we're gonna be doing, because it's very easy, it's very simple if you kind of break it down. So look at this. I'm actually gonna put that on mute. We don't need to hear it, but look at this, okay? So that's a video, but if we scroll through here, that's a picture, that's a picture, that's a video, that's a picture, that's a picture. So the reason I'm showing you this is because, okay, there's this video right here, okay? So there's this video, it's let's say this is the start right here, this is the end, okay? You got 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5, 6, let me speed that up, 7, 8, 9, 10-minute long video right here, okay? What most people don't understand when it comes to creating these videos is that you do not need to have a video. It doesn't need to be like that, okay? So I could come over here, let's actually go back to this, let me see. Okay, let's click on this one. There's 14,000 subscribers, done 2 months ago, 16,000 views, okay? Let me open up that one, and I'm gonna show you the exact same thing. What you're gonna find is people are just doing a compilation of images. That's it. No videos, okay? Let me show you how simple this is. Now, it has a cool little intro. All right, awesome, okay? Look at that. There's a video, okay? Cool. Let's see. This one is a picture. That one is a picture. This one is a picture. This one is another picture. This one a picture. And what is this? Picture, picture, and another picture. Now, the reason why I want to show you that is because people will go and do an intro, okay, and this is exactly what I'm telling you to do. Okay, create your intro, okay, and then add car number 1, car number 2, car number 3, and to car number 3 we're going to add a couple of different pictures because that's a cool car. We're going to add car number 4, we're going to add car number 5, and oh, that's a really cool car too, so we're going to add 3 or 4 pictures, and we're going to zoom in and out, and we're going to make some cool effects and transitions and all this stuff, And so at the end of it, we have a full video with like 15, 20 different pictures. That's it. And we have what we call our video. Okay? And the best part about that is all this is free. Okay? And I'm going to show you how to do that. So this is just one different idea. Okay? Very simple. Okay? But let me show you something. Because I think a lot of people are a little hesitant to do this because they think, well, you can't make money in that. There's no way you can make money in that. I'm telling you, you can. And you just saw a second ago where the ad popped up on the inside of the screen, and I had to click the little X to get rid of it. So I can tell you right there, this person is making money from their ad. How much? Well, we'll have to look into that and see. Okay? But here's how we do it. I go to Google, and let's say, let's just go back and I'll kind of give you an idea. So what car is this? Let's say, so a Koenigsegg Regera. So Koenigsegg Regera. Okay, I'm gonna type that in. So, and then I'm gonna go to images on Google, and everybody has Google. You can use Google. It's absolutely free, right? Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come to Tools. I'm gonna go to Usage Rights, and I'm gonna click Labeled for Reuse. And I'm not going to click Labeled for Reuse with modification. Number one, that's going to give you less options. And also, we're not going to modify any of the pictures. We might add text over the top, but we're not going to change anything to the actual picture itself. So I'm going to click Labeled for Reuse, and there we go. And it was that the exact, look at that right there. That's the exact image from this video. Okay? The exact image right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the exact same image. This person's doing the exact same thing. This could be one of my students, and if it is, sorry that I'm just showing your channel and showing your results. But this is an incredible business. This is an incredible opportunity, and people just don't understand how easy it is to make money online using YouTube and Google and just combine them together and creating these cool videos. Now, this is just one idea, okay? Is it the best idea? It's a pretty good idea, okay? What if we go top 10 scary roller coasters, right? That's pretty cool. But the bad part about with roller coasters is people want to see a little bit of movement. With cars, they don't care, okay? But you could do roller coasters, okay? And so you got this person talking, got this. It's a little image. There's images right there. Okay, you get the idea. Okay, or we could do top 10 most expensive. Okay, because people do this all the time. A lot of people want to know what's the most expensive, dog. Well, let's figure it out. Let's go to YouTube and let's figure out what's the most expensive dog. Well, there's images. There's pictures of dogs and videos. This one, picture. Okay, let's click on that one. Okay. And there, let's see this one. That's a little moving tail. That looks like a video. This one, video. Okay, so all we're going to do is come over here, and here we go. That's so they got their video. Okay, there's an ad right here, so I know they're making money from it. Another video. Now you can go and there's a picture right there. You can go and get, okay. You can go and get the different subscriptions to use video inside your channel, and it's not free, but you get the rights to reuse those videos, and that's fine. But that's not free, okay? I want to show you this video and explain to you how this is absolutely free, okay? I want to show you how to make $100 per day on YouTube without recording videos, 100% free, okay? That means you do not have to pay a single penny. Okay, so if you go and pay for some of these subscription services, it is going to cost you a little bit every single month or per year, but it's a great option. Okay, so that's another one. Expensive dogs. You could also do top 10, biggest houses in the world. Okay, because people want to know this, right? This was done 1 month ago. This person has 3 million subscribers, but they got 1.3 million views. Well, hopefully they got a decent amount. Okay, let's see. Let's try to find some. This one, 11 months ago, 151,000 subscribers, but it has 4.2 million views. Let's look at this. Okay, let me just go. I'll show you this one really quick, and then I'm going to show you one other thing before you go, because again, I want you to understand that it's absolutely free. It doesn't cost you a single thing. This is an image. Okay, you probably understood that, but that is an image. This is an image. You're zooming in on that picture. This one, well, it's a video, okay? And this is probably just, like this right here is an image. They're just scrolling, or they're actually panning, which means they take the camera from one spot and they just pan it over to another. But you can do the exact same thing inside of an image. You just blow the image up, make it big, then you zoom in on one spot, and then you kind of move it to a different spot. It's called panning, okay? This, right before it, this is called B-roll, where they just take different video, and it's not even, this is of New York, great, but it's not of the actual property. Okay, this is of the actual property. Okay, cool. So that's all they're doing, and this video got 151,000 subscribers, or this person has 151,000 subscribers, has over 4 million views. Okay, and I'm pretty sure we saw an ad in the beginning of this, which means they're making money from this exact video. Okay, but let me show you something else. Okay, so let's actually get rid of that. There we go. So the cool part about it is that if you have a Mac, if you have an iPhone, if you have an iPad, okay, there's something called iMovie, okay, which is free. On top of it being free, you also can do a voiceover. And so what I mean by a voiceover is that you can have a video playing like this. Let's see if there's any sound. And a guy talks over the top. I don't know if you can hear that, but somebody's talking right over the top of this clip. Simple. And you can do all that with iMovie. So iMovie is absolutely free. There's other software you can use. All you gotta do is go to Google and type in, free video editing software. I told you this is gonna be a video on how to make $100 per day on YouTube without recording any video. So I have a camera right here which is recording me. I'm not saying you need to be recorded at all. I'm just saying what you need to do is put a bunch of clips together. Okay, do something like this where you're adding some text like this. All simple stuff. You add a little bit of text, add more text right there, the price, and just show people what is the most expensive house in the world. Top 10 richest people alive, right? Let's just look and see. Okay, this person right here, ranking the world, 103,000 subscribers, 7.2 million views, and 9 months ago. It's pretty good, right? That's pretty good. Okay, we can scroll down, we can probably find more. Okay, I'm not gonna go through it all. 11 months ago, this guy, top 10 richest people in the world, 2019, net worth, 8,000 subscribers, 49,000 views, okay, 11 months ago. So again, there's money to be made. You just gotta get out there and see, okay, how much money can I make by creating videos on things people wanna watch? Because I guarantee you, people wanna watch top 10s, top 10 best basketball players in the world. You got, and I don't care how you rank them, but you got all these different people, and you just show pictures. Highlight a dunk of Michael Jordan or Kobe or LeBron or Shaq or Kareem or whoever you have, and whoever's in your top 10, great. Just show different dunks and shots and whatever you want to do. Create something that you are happy with, because I guarantee you, the better off your videos are, okay? The more videos you can create, the more money you could potentially make. Alright, so now that you have seen exactly how this method works, how you can make money on YouTube without recording any videos, okay? Now, I did not say without making any videos. I said without recording. You do not need to have a camera. You do not need a phone. You can start making videos by doing a compilation, and I recommend top 10, like I just said in the video, but you can do whatever you want, okay? So let me give you some tips before you go out and get started. The number one tip that I have for you guys is don't go out and think that everything that is labeled Creative Commons on YouTube you can go and use. And I say this because a lot of people will go and get these different video clips and they'll put together a huge compilation and say it's Creative Commons, and then you go and use it, and the problem is some of the clips in there are not Creative Commons, so that video gets hit with a copyright strike, and any video that you have created using their videos now get hit with that copyright strike as well. So just don't think that just because it says Creative Commons that you can use it, okay? With that said, I showed you how to use images, okay? And all you gotta do is pan over those images, change the different angles, okay? And by doing that, it makes it look a little more lifelike. The video comes to life, it's a little more engaging, people will watch it a little bit longer. And the cool part about it is, all you're trying to do is get views. And if you can get a bunch of views and you can kind of couple that with some affiliate marketing links, that's where you're really gonna start to make some money. So if you don't know much about affiliate marketing, you're doing affiliate marketing on YouTube, I'll put a link down in the description box below so you can go check out my course. It's called Affiliate Marketing on YouTube, and I'll put a discount code on there as well so you can go and check that out for a discounted price. Now, the second tip that I have for you guys when it comes to creating videos like this without recording anything is you need to make it somewhat unique. You need to have your own style. And I say this because a lot of people create the exact same crap that other people have already created. And it's getting a little bit of views, but people absolutely hate it. One way you can tell if the people that are watching the videos actually like the content is look at the likes versus dislikes. If more people like the video than dislike it, then chances are it's a good quality video and you can kind of create something just like that. But if there's 100 likes and 100 dislikes, chances are so many people are mixed, I wouldn't follow that person's actual technique. Okay? With that said, don't worry about views. Do not worry about the comment section yet. Okay? You want to just look at the likes and dislikes to figure out if that exact process, that exact video is what you want to replicate for your own channel. Now, the third piece of advice, the third major tip that I have for you guys when it comes to making $100 per day on YouTube without recording any videos is you have to put out a bunch of videos. I'm not talking about one video a week. One video a week is just not gonna cut it. You need to put out, I'd say 3 to 5 videos every single week and keep that up. If you can do this for 1, 2, maybe 3 months, I am telling you, this is like the proven recipe, proven number of videos to really get the channels to start rolling over, get YouTube pushing your videos, and so you get more views, which usually equates to more subscribers, usually equates to more repeat viewers, and it makes you more money. Now, the last thing I just want to say when it comes to making $100 per day on YouTube without recording any videos is that you will have to put in some time, you will have to put in some effort, but if you do this, and like I said, 3 to 5 videos a week for, I'd say 2 to 3 months, you're gonna see a lot of videos really shoot up. They're gonna be ranking higher, they're gonna be doing better, getting more views, consistent views, and the best part about it is, you're making money while you sleep. And who else loves to make money while they're asleep? If you love making money while you're sleeping, comment down in the comment section below and just type in sleep. That shows me you really want to make a passive income. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions on how to make $100 per day on YouTube without recording any videos, let me know. You can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. I'll be in there usually within the first couple hours of the video going live. I try to stick around and answer some of these questions that you guys have. So if you have a question, just ask the question down in the comment section below and I'll try to help you out the best that I can. But if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Like always, make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.